Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about hand expression and why it can be a useful skill for mothers to learn during their feeding journey. Hand expression is a method of collecting milk using only your hands without the need for a pump. Many mothers find it helpful in different situations, especially when a pump is not available. One of the advantages of hand expression is its simplicity. Since no equipment is required, it can be done almost anywhere when needed. Many mothers choose to learn hand expression as a backup method alongside their regular pumping routine. Having more than one option can provide extra flexibility. Before starting, it is important to wash your hands and prepare a clean container for collecting milk. Good hygiene helps create a safe and comfortable routine. Finding a quiet and comfortable place can also make the process easier. Many mothers find that staying relaxed helps them feel more comfortable during milk expression. In the beginning, hand expression may feel unfamiliar. Like any new skill, it often becomes easier with practice and patience. Some mothers use hand expression before or after a pumping session as part of their regular routine. Others prefer it when traveling or during short periods away from home. The most important thing is finding a method that fits comfortably into your lifestyle and daily schedule. With practice, patience, and consistency, hand expression can become a useful and reliable part of your feeding journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.